Welcome students. In today's class we shall be discussing about the various color reaction of proteins. These are the qualitative tests which are used to identify whether the given sample is containing amino acids or proteins. So these are total 7 in number and we shall be discussing them one by one. What are the various color reaction of proteins? So the number one, the first test is that is Ninhydrin test. So now let us start the reaction. How does this reaction occurs? This video mainly focus on how does these reaction occurs. So only I will be discussing the chemical part of this in this video. Now first of all, let us draw the structure of Ninhydrin reagent, the Ninhydrin compound. Now this is the structure of Ninhydrin compound on reaction with any one of the amino acid. Now I am drawing the structure of how does an amino acid looks like. It is the general structure of amino acid. You can take glycine, alanine, phenylalanine, anything. So the Ninhydrin test. What is this? The first compound, it is Ninhydrin, and the second one is an amino acid. It is an amino acid. On reaction, they yield a compound known as hydrindentin. Compound known as hydrindentin. See the reaction. Now this is the structure for hydrindentin plus corresponding aldehyde plus a molecule of carbon dioxide and ammonia. These are yielded. Now this hydrindentin here, known as hydrindentin, this hydrindentin then reacts with another molecule of Ninhydrin reagent. Now let us start with the second process. Now once again we shall be drawing the structure of Ninhydrin here. This is the structure for Ninhydrin, plus we are adding hydrindentin to this. On addition of a molecule of hydrindentin in presence of ammonia, the reaction occurs in presence of ammonia that was yielded previously. It forms a purple colored compound known as Ruhmann's purple. Now the final product will be like this. Just keep an eye on how these structures are drawn. You have to practice a lot to learn these structures. Without practicing them, it would be difficult to remember such difficult structures. Now this is the structure for Ruhmann's purple. Plus 3 molecules of water are released, and this is known as Ruhmann's purple. Now this reaction is for Ninhydrin test. This is the reaction for Ninhydrin test. So I hope students you all are familiar how the ninhydrin is drawn. Just let us revise it again. Ninhydrin reacts with another and with one alpha amino acid. They form a compound known as hydrin-dentin. This hydrin-dentin then reacts with another molecule of ninhydrin. Now this is another molecule of ninhydrin plus hydrin-dentin. Here you can see hydrin-dentin is added in presence of ammonia. The compound is known as Rumann's purple. So this is the identification test for all the amino acids. I hope now you are familiar how the ninhydrin reaction takes place. Keep revising these structures.